Introducing brand new purchase order Kanban, perfect for purchase and production managers to easily view and organize their work in progress. In the Purchases module, go to Purchase Orders, then Purchase Order Kanban. Now you can simplify purchasing steps with Kanban visuals. Quickly identify bottlenecks within a particular stage of your purchasing, and drag and drop cards from one status to the next for a clear view of work in progress. View comments on purchase orders and use the calendar to view a particular delivery date range, using options such as today, this week, or next month, or filter by selecting a custom range. Search by supplier reference or edit your layout to customize your Kanban to fit your operational needs. Managing your purchasing schedule just got easier with Purchase Order Kanban.